Looking for a powerful drone that fits in your palm? These mini drones pack pro-level features like GPS, 8K cameras, and obstacle avoidance, all under one compact frame. Hey everyone! Whether you're a beginner, a casual flyer, or a creator looking for a lightweight drone with serious tech, this list is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best mini drones in 2025, perfect for portability, aerial photography, and fun flying, without breaking the bank. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Drone Mini 4 Pro Max. This compact beast features dual HD cameras, optical flow positioning, GPS, and obstacle avoidance, all in a foldable design. Great for smooth footage even in tight spaces. Pros: dual cameras for multiple angles, optical flow for stability, GPS-assisted flight, foldable and travel-friendly. Why it's great: you get pro-level features in a size that fits your pocket, great for hobbyists and content creators. Number 2. K19 Max Mini RC Drone. Comes with 8K camera, 5G GPS, and long-range transmission. Stable video quality with optical flow tech and remote control customization. Pros: 5G real-time FPV video, high-definition 8K camera, long control range, beginner-friendly. Why it's great: if you need a mini drone that flies far and films sharp, this is a standout for both new and experienced pilots. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS Drone. From trusted brand Xiaomi, this mini drone includes brushless motors, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and 8K HD video capability. Pros: durable Xiaomi build, stable flight with brushless motors, GPS plus obstacle avoidance, foldable and compact. Why it's great: Xiaomi's reliability and performance in a portable drone makes this ideal for buyers who want long-term value. Number 4. New Beast 8K Drone. This drone comes with a built-in 5.9-inch screen controller, 8K HD camera, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Great for FPV enthusiasts who want immersive flight control. Pros: built-in large screen remote, clear real-time FPV feed, high-end camera for a mini, foldable, travel-ready. Why it's great: it's like flying a full-size drone but with the convenience of a mini, perfect for real-time FPV flying. Number 5. S156 Mini Drone. Designed with dual 8K cameras, omnidirectional brushless motors, and a foldable design, it's a compact powerhouse. Ideal as a gift drone or entry-level flyer. Pros: dual camera system, omnidirectional flying, lightweight and portable, budget-friendly. Why it's great: affordable, beginner-friendly, and loaded with useful tech. Great for gifting or getting started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. These mini drones may be small in size, but they're huge on features, from obstacle avoidance to 8K cameras. Whether you're shooting cinematic videos or just flying for fun, there's something here for every drone lover. Which of these mini drones would you fly first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more top 5 tech gear, and tap the bell so you never miss an update.